Okay, Daddy will get you.
1 second. Daddy had to wait for you. Let's go see what Santa brought. Presents.
What did he bring you?
You want to open up your stocking?
Oh, Santa brought stuff in your stocking? You must have been a good girl this year.
Let's sit down. Let's sit down. Let's open it up.
Let's see what he has for
Okay,
you.
Go on, open it up.
Sit down. Sit down. You can open it. Those are all for you, all those presents.
What's that?
Look at that's your stocking. Santa fills your stocking.
Some plates.
Oh, what is that?
You are one lucky duck.
Sit down. Open it.
Open it. Look at.
No.
For you, look, some books. Tiptoe Ballerina. The Perfect Princess.
No.
Look what else. Look what else in your stocking. Coloring books. Yes. You see what else is in here?
Yeah.
Okay, this is your stocking. You just gotta go.
Oh my goodness, you must have been a good girl, all that
Some
stuff.
glasses. Big girl glasses.
Is that what you drink your water out of? Like a big
And some
girl.
big girl bowls. And some big girl silverware. Yes.
Some books.
Ella Mac, that's lots of stuff. Look
Yeah.
look at all the presents underneath the tree.
Are those for Mac? You want to get a present that says from Santa?
Yeah.
Look at right here. Here's one. Open it up.
Can you open it?
Say thank you, Santa.
I said the Costco.
He went home.
He's sleepy. He had to give presents to every kid in the world.
I said, what's that?
What? Did he eat his chocolates?
Yeah.
He said, thank you, Ella Mac.
I said, oh, eat chocolate.
Yeah.
Eat chocolate.
Yeah. And it looks like he filled up some of Aunt Megan's stocking too, and Daddy's stocking too.
And Mommy's stocking too.
And Mama's too, my goodness.
Daddy, get opposite. Do that.
Okay, let's get Mommy's.
Mommy, like that?
Yeah, but open your present first.
Open your present from Santa. Christy cautious over here.
I know. It's okay, you can rip it. Rip it.
Go. Rip it.
Oh my gosh,
This is
it's
gonna
going to be a
take
long
forever.
day.
We're on present 2 and it is 12:30 in the afternoon. What is it? Open it up. Who is it?
Money pots.
Wonder
And
Pets.
who's this?
The last girl.
Dora!
Dora the Explorer.
I take this step.
Oh, gotta get the last. Here you go.
There you go. Yep, okay.
I watch a movie.
Maybe later we can watch it, but look at all these presents you have.
I say this.
This one right here. That's kind of the big one.
Yeah, let's save that one. Let's look at...
Yeah. That's mine.
Yeah, okay, now we're gonna
Who's...
get this.
Yeah.
that
Let's
from
see,
Santa?
who's that from?
Who's that from?
Let's
Santa
see.
Claus.
This is from Santa.
That's donuts.
No, that's
That's
for Ella
yours.
Mac. You open it.
Open it.
That's my movie. That's my other movie.
That's your other movie.
You want to sit down with Daddy?
Yeah.
Open it up.
That's
That's
mine.
Yeah, no, it is yours. Open it up. Rip it open.
I open it.
Ready? There, go like that. Ready?
That's my mom.
Here you go. Rip it open.
New jammies. Thank you, Santa.
That's my new dummy.
Yeah.
That's my new dummy.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Santa.
That's my new dummy. Tricky.
Right
Here
there.
you go, Mac.
You have lots of presents. You must have been a good girl this year. This is from Mama and Daddy.
Can we help you?
Yeah, this one's kind of hard to open.
See this.
What is it?
Bathtub.
Bathtub for who?
Who? Mom.
For Ella Mac? Is that for your babies?
No problem. My babies.
Good. Yeah, you can open that again. Sure. Third time's a charm.
So, fall down, I'll put my, put this. So, I'll buy that's my shirt.
Who bought you that?
Uh,
Who bought that for you? Morgan and Devin. Your first Burberry.
That's my first birdie.
Birdie, that's true. It's so
Let's put it in
pretty.
your pile. Go get your other present.
Okay,
There's that one right here. These are yours.
that's mine.
There's one from Santa.
Daddy, let's take off that.
I will. I'll get it. Here you go. Put your hat on. Your chef's hat.
Let's see. Oh. So now you can make us lots of food.
Make us pancakes in the morning. How quick to the no likey?
Yeah. Wow.
Is this?
Mama
Oh.
has an apron too. We can wear our aprons together.
You ready? You gotta put the apron on. That is cool. You gotta put the hat on.
Let Mama see you.
And you wanna put your glove on?
My other glove go.
No, you
It's
said
just
that.
one glove,
Just
babe.
one glove.
Here, look at Mama. Look up at Mama. Say cheese.
That is cute.
That is cute.
Want to take it off?
All right, one more present from Santa.
Oh, here's one right here.
Santa didn't know there was Scotch tape, I bet.
Crazy Santa.
What's that? More jammies.
Yes.
You're going to be warm and cozy.
Here you go. One more. What do you think it is?
Oh, that's hard. That's hard to kick that.
A new book.
Ah, it's pajama time.
So I open that. Open that.
We'll open that up in a minute, but I think you have one more really big present.
Okay.
Right there
Right
next
there.
to you.
Right here.
Okay. That's my present.
Yeah, and guess who it's from?
Santa Claus.
Santa
Say
Claus.
thank you, Santa Claus.
Thank you, Santa Claus. Help me. Yeah.
That one's hard.
There you go.
That one's hard.
What is it?
Papa.
It's a computer.
Did you get a computer? Oh, we have to put batteries in it.
Help me.
Okay, I'll get it.
I need the batteries.
It needs some batteries.